Hey, 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 good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today to see what we have cooking. So grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. You know what day it is. It is Thursday, and that's right, it is Tailgating and Touchdown Thursdays, and for this week's Tailgating and Touchdown Thursdays dish, I chose to make a Chicago-style deep dish pizza. So grab a hold of that vine, swing it onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. I have my cast iron pan that we're going to be sitting there using for our deep dish pizza. And right here in my bread machine pan, I have a whole wheat honey dough recipe. So let's jump right on in. I have my dough right here. I lightly oiled up my hands so the dough won't stick so much. But now I'm just gonna sit there and just cut the dough in half like so. Set that half off over to the side. I'm gonna sit there and somewhat shape the dough before I put it in the bottom of the cast iron pan. So I'm just gonna keep going around and around, squeezing and stretching the dough as I go until I think it's gonna fit the bottom of the pan. Now let's put it down in our pan, stretch that dough out. And I usually don't have canning jars right here in front of me, but like I say, I'm right in the height of canning right now. I have some more coming out of my canner in a real short bit. Now, as you see, I have the dough all spread out in our pan, and it goes up just a little ways on the side of our pan. Now, I have a little tip and trick that I use. I just don't use this little gadget thing for tenderizing my meat. I also use it to dock my pizzas. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go around the bottom of my pizza dough here, and I'm just gonna dock all the crust. Now, like I said, this is gonna be a shocker, but like I told you, this is a Chicago style pizza, and this is how we do it up here in my neck of the woods. We don't put our sauce down. No siree, Bob. We put cheese down. All around the outer crust here, we load our cheese all the way along the sides of the cast iron pan. Now that's gonna give you that good lacy burnt cheese that we all love on our pizzas. Let's add our sauce. Now you could add as little or as much sauce as you want. Do not go all the way out to the edge. Now that we have our sauce all down, now is the time to spread it all out. And like I said, do not go all the way to the edge. I like adding some of my dehydrated bell peppers. So I'm just gonna grab some and spread some throughout the whole pizza. Now my family adores mushrooms on their pizza. I'm the one oddball of the whole bunch that does not. So we kind of met in the middle and we compromised, and we agreed to putting mushroom powder. Now, if you're interested in learning how to make some mushroom powder, please leave a comment down below. I would be more than happy to go through and make some more. As you see, I am running low on my supply here. Alright, I'm making a meat lover's pizza, so I'm gonna grab some pepperoni. Okay, now I'm going to be sitting there putting some sausage down. Now, this is the type of sausage that I put down on mine. Now, we use the pinch and drop method. You simply would pinch off a piece, drop it. Pinch off a piece, drop it. Now that I have the sausage all down, I have some of my dried minced onion, and I'm just giving it a light sprinkling. This is just a little added extra flavor for us to savor. And I'm going to do the same thing with a little bit of dried minced garlic. We're just going to give it just a light sprinkling. You're going to want to sit there and grab some dried oregano. Before you add the oregano, I want you to sit there and put it in your good pinch, but when you're spreading it, I want you to pinch it between your fingers and rub it. It wakes the seasoning awake, and tells it, hey, we're going to be having one hell of a party. Come on, get ready. And after all, this is tailgating and touchdown Thursdays. So of course, you gotta give that deep dish pizza its prep talk, like you do all the football players out there. Now, we're just gonna allow this to double in size, and after it doubles in size, we're gonna put it in a preheated oven. Ooh, look at that goodness. Look at how it doubled in size. I went ahead and I preheated my oven, and I set it to the hottest heat setting that my oven goes to. And I also have a pizza stone in my oven. Now that helps you out a lot if you have a pizza stone. Now I'm gonna sit there and take this Chicago deep dish pizza over to my hot oven, and remember, we're gonna cook it on the hottest setting, as hot as our ovens will go, for 45 minutes or more. And there it is in my hot oven. And here is the deep dish pizza that I just pulled right out of the oven. Okay, my husband and my son's hungry, and I'm going in. Come on, Riss, don't feel me now. All right, there we go. Look at that. Look, yeah. And there you go. That's how easy it was to make a Chicago-style deep dish pizza. Now, if you liked what you saw, please leave a comment down below. I love hearing what each and every one of you have to sit there and say. And please give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, please go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And here's the happy cooking, but better yet, happy eating. Y'all come back now. You hear?